So the PXN V99 is an entry-level steering wheel coming around $180 compared to the Logitech's $320 price tag. And honestly, the wheel is better in almost every single way except one thing, which I'll talk about at the end. But first, specs, because you need to see this. The PXN V99 costs around $180 and in the box you get a detachable quick release steering wheel, unlike the Logitech, a 3-pedal set with a clutch, an included 6-speed shifter, and a star of the show, a 3.2 Nm wheelbase. Logitech, no shifter included, no quick release, and only 2.1 Nm of torque. And that difference is very noticeable on track. Before we go deeper, I've tested this wheel on iRacing, F125, and basically every major sim racing game, and it works perfectly. And for everyone asking in the comments, yes, it does work on PS5, but you'll need the PXN N5 dongle, which doesn't come in the box. The steering wheel uses a quick release system, meaning you can swap it out for other PXN wheels or a wheel of your own, and PXN ecosystem is growing fast. You get metal paddle shifters, metal dual clutch paddles, and a lightweight wheel, which helps the force feedback feel sharper and more responsive. I've had this wheel for over a year and there's basically zero wear. That says a lot about its quality and longevity. The V99 comes with a 6-speed shifter plus 2 mappable buttons on top. And again, this is included and most brands charge extra for this. Does it feel premium? No. Does it do the job? Absolutely. So unless you're super serious, you definitely won't need to upgrade the shifter. The pedals include a clutch, brake, and throttle, and they actually look decent unlike those horrific Thrustmaster pedals. Let's be honest, they're not better than Logitech's metal pedals. The brake is slight but still stiffer than the clutch or the throttle, usable but not amazing, and this is the one downside of the entire bundle. And now, the star of the show, the wheelbase. So the wheelbase is mounted on a metal plate which comes with desk clamps, making it perfect for desk users. It outputs up to 3.2 Nm of torque, which is way stronger than the Logitech's 2.1 Nm, meaning you get higher peak torque and a much wider range of feedback. And despite what some people say, it doesn't overheat. I've done hours of endurance racing, hours at a time, and it only ever gets warm. From road texture, curbs, loss of traction, oversteer, grass, you literally feel everything. Like, this wheelbase is everything you would look for in a wheelbase. It's also quiet compared to gear-driven wheels that sound like a straight-up mechanic shop, and it's noticeably smoother as well, though obviously not direct drive smooth like SimiCube or Fanatec DD wheels. But for the price, crazy value. So the verdict I have for this wheel is I've owned this wheel for a full year now, and I'm just as happy as day one. That alone proves the quality of this wheel, so it's pretty much a safe buy for you. Now, let's answer the question, who is this wheel for? This wheel is for people who want to get into sim racing without spending $300+ on a 10-year-old wheel design. Plus, you can mount it on a desk, a cockpit, basically anywhere you can mount it on. It comes quick release unlike the Logitech, included shifter, strong force feedback. Like, what else could you want in a wheel like this? The only better deal than this is the $10 wheel from my last video, so drop a like, subscribe, and comment if you want my exact PXN V99 settings.